And it was really three colleges, the College of Science and Math, the College of Agriculture, and Liberal Arts. And it was really putting lots of different students together, different faculty together that sometimes, probably wouldn't have talked to each other. And we talk about buildings like this, science buildings, research buildings, as places where the architecture, if it's really working great, is causing intellectual collisions to happen. People that wouldn't normally talk to each other, all of a sudden running into each other. We had a client who suggested we put really bad elevators in the building because that was the only way they were going to get people to stand still and talk to each other for 4 or 5 minutes when the elevator broke down. But it's how do you create those kinds of spaces?